Hello! Welcome to my vlog, Nani's Vlog Adventure. So, nandito tayo sa ating farm char. Ito ay nandito kami sa highway. So, may nakita kami ng mga beautiful places. So, medyo cold today. Tara, samahan nyo kami. So, dumaan kami ng supermarket kasi bumili kami ng dates or mga food for lunch. O, yan. Ay, how many touch the meow meow? Meow, 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 meow. Ay! Cute cat. Hala, lemon, soup, lemon. Big lemon and rosemary. Lalala kalas.
عيون بس هذا يفقع من عيون.
Na habag. Wow, it's a beautiful habag. Oh, purple habag.
I want to play.
You want dragonfly? This is a bee. He sucked the nectar from the na mint. Mm.
هذا تراب. أبني هذا أنا، هذا أنت، هذا أنا.
Ala lemon. Warda. Sufa warda hamani. It's so beautiful.
Alf.
This is it. Mauna to. Ang aming food sa party. May patay, pizza, banana, sambusa, churros. Okay, let's eat. We have patay with chicken and potato. Let's eat. Yummy, yummy. We are cooking chicken menudo with potato. Yummy, yummy. With rice, white rice. Thanks for watching and God bless everyone.